Alright. So, my mom, it was my birthday 2 days ago, but, she had to make reservations to go to this luxurious, fancy seafood place. So luxurious that each plate is around $50 to $100 each. Don't know what kind of seafood they have, but, I'm gonna gorge myself on the one plate that I'm able to get. Anglerfish, whale, whatever it is. And I'm following her because I have no idea where I'm going or how to get there, but it's a place called Jags. So I'm following her here. Icy. Oh, it's icy out. So yeah. She did say that I could ride with her if I wanted to, but the only reason I didn't want to ride with her is it's not because her car's full of trash. She cleaned that out, she said, so her car's finally clean for once. But no, the reason I said I wanted to drive alone was that way so I could leave on my own terms. Like, let's say I finish my plate, but she's not done yet, or the other way around. Well, the other way around would make sense, but let's say she finishes her. Let's say I finish my plate, but she's not done yet, and I want to leave because there's no point waiting around. I have my own car because I drove myself, so that's why I'm driving myself, so I can leave on my own terms. Bro. When she said luxurious, I did not think she meant a renovated church. Don't knock it till you try it, I guess. Yeah? Nice. They even got a children's menu at the back. Not gonna lie, I'm not seeing many seafood that spikes my interest.
Salmon? You like salmon? This is king salmon.
Alright, but I can buy salmon any day.
Not king salmon.
There is one thing on here that I can't buy every day that does spike my interest though. That's the breast of duckling.
Yeah. Oligo exotic millet mixed grill. Delightful combination of our breast of duckling, pan-seared quail, and buffalo.
Yeah, if that comes with the breast of duckling, I might get that one.
Yep. Comes with the breast of the duckling, pan-seared quail, and then buffalo.
You know what Nana and Tosh suggested? They said I should just get the most expensive thing on the menu, which I was expecting to be like $400, but
My name is Haley, and I will be taking care of you. I do have one more special, which is our 10-ounce prime rib. I am serving that with 3 jumbo prawns for $43.95. And soup tonight will be our clam chowder as well as seafood. Any drinks to get you 2 started on besides the water?
Did you look at the drink?
you got Shirley Temples here?
I do.
I'll take one.
For the temple too.
Right.
And maybe an appetizer that I can shoot. Did you try the bread yet?
Oh, the what?
Bread.
Bread, huh?
Yeah. They're fancy bread.
Yeah.
Yeah, we fired it up. How are you? You never meet?
Oh, damn.
Oh, that's what.
Good bread. You want to try some?
Oh, yeah. You didn't see those on the menu.
Next.
Are you interested in any appetizers to get us started?
No.
I'll pass.
I think he is ready to order.
I know dinner's a lot, so I'll be sorry.
I didn't see the Shirley Temple on the menu either.
Yeah, is it not on the map there? No, it should be. It's one of our secret menu products. Whoever wants to start then here.
Could I get the exotic mixed grill?
And how would you like your duck and buffalo cooked?
I can do medium.
Medium. And then you also get baked potato, garlic mash, rice, or pasta.
I'll take potato.
Butter and sour cream okay?
Sure.
And then Caesar salad, tossed salad, or soup.
Caesar salad.
I got you down there.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
It says the Caesar salad is a mix of the exotic mixed grill is a delightful combination of our breast of duckling, pan-seared quail, and buffalo fillet, mingin served with assorted sauces, $47.95. You know one thing that I know is extremely popular? Caesar salad.
Oh yeah, good stuff.
Caesar salad is just all around extremely
I wonder if it was
popular.
named after Caesar.
Maybe.
Then we have Little Caesar's Pizza.
Well, I know what Little Caesars was named after. Al Capone, Scarface. He had a partner named Little Caesar. He opened up a pizza restaurant for money laundering called Little Caesars, named after him. Yeah. Oh yeah, sure.
There's your salad.
Thanks.
Any pepper tonight, freshly cracked.
Sure.
You want to tell me when?
There you go.
These are a little quick, so I'm sure.
Thanks.
Any more bread, you two?
That's what's free. I'll take bread. Thank you.
You a breadaholic?
Yeah, it was pretty good bread.
You a bread addict?
No, that's free.
Caesar salad, huh? Thankfully it doesn't look like coleslaw.
And you have bread. Good Caesar dressing.
Caesar dressing.
Yeah. Croutons, the romaine lettuce, the cheese, and then you have the bread.
I'm not gonna lie, I am a complete loser because when I heard Caesar salad on that menu, I only wanted it because I knew it was popular, but also what makes me a loser, I didn't think of the historical figure Caesar. I thought of Caesar the monkey from Planet of the Apes. Alrighty then. I see the quail because I can see the legs.
You have to try them each and let me know what your favorite is.
What is this? That's the potato? Is that butter? Butter and cream cheese.
And then napkins.
This is a flame. No, this is the duck. Nice. I was just like, is this a filet mignon? This is the duck. So that was fun. Yeah. I just ate some duckling and quill. So yeah, that was a good dinner I had with my mom. Now, the next event that I'm extremely excited for will happen on the 31st. Going to Markiplier's first movie, Iron Lung, in theaters with my little brother. Till then, keep stacking.
Do you know what I said? I gotta get the dinero, the cash, and the bread. Do you know what I'm saying? I'm down to do the do just as long as it's paying.